The murder trial for the shooting along Highway 169 wraps up its first week.
No witness testimony today, but the party's working out some big legal issues in advance of the case going to the jury next week. One of those matters, will the defendant, Jamal Smith, take the witness stand?
Our Paul Bloom is following this trial for us, and he is live at the courthouse. And Paul, will we actually see him testify on Monday?
Tim and Karen, at this point, we just don't know. Ultimately, it will be up to Jamal Smith in consultation with his attorneys. What I can tell you is throughout this case, the defense has argued that, yes, perhaps Jamal Smith was driving this suspect Suburban involved in the deadly shooting of Jay Boughton, but there's absolutely no evidence that it was Smith who pulled the trigger. Will he or won't he take the witness stand? It is a question Jamal Smith and his legal team will have to ponder over the weekend. No witness testimony on Friday, though the jury was at the courthouse. Judge Nicole Angish sent home the 8 women and 7 men who will ultimately decide Smith's fate as the two sides wrangled over several legal issues outside their presence. As it relates to Smith potentially testifying, Judge Angish ruled that prosecutors can introduce 4 prior felony convictions Smith has from Illinois, including for resisting police and aggravated battery. But they cannot detail the specifics of the crimes, only allowed to ask generally about the convictions for the potential purpose of challenging his credibility. If Smith does testify, it is expected he will admit he was driving the suspected SUV, but it was one of his passengers in the back seat who pulled the trigger, killing youth baseball coach Jay Boughton on Highway 169 last summer. The state has maintained its position. This was a deadly road rage encounter with Smith, both driver and triggerman. Enraged, Boughton flipped him off on a dark, rainy night near Rockford Road in Plymouth. Judge Angish also ruled she will allow prosecutors to introduce a limited number of Smith's jailhouse phone recordings to the jury. The state believes the recordings capture the musings of a guilty party attempting to manipulate witnesses. The defense countered that the calls are prejudicial, open to interpretation, and will only serve to inform the jury that the defendant is locked up for the deadly shooting. Angish's decision clearly upset Smith, who appeared outraged by his animated gestures and frustrated follow-up discussions with lawyers at counsel table. And Judge Nicole Angish did tell this court that despite not having any witness testimony today, the trial remains on schedule, so we expect the state to rest its case on Monday, closing arguments and then jury deliberations on Tuesday. It is also important to note that Jamal Smith here is facing aiding and abetting as well as conspiracy murder charges in this case, meaning the jury doesn't actually have to find him to be the trigger man and still convict him on these charges in the deadly shooting of Jay Boughton. Reporting outside the courthouse tonight, Paul Bloom, Fox 9.
All right, sounds good, Paul. Okay.